Should we take it to the road?
Dude, that's so much power. Today we are installing a nitrous oxide kit. Amazon nitrous kit. These are filled with nitrous oxide. You put these in here, hit the button, and nitrous oxide comes out.
Oh yeah.
Basically, we're gonna hook this up here, run this hose right into the carburetor, press the button,
and boom.
Now, what nitrous oxide does is basically adds more oxygen. And to make more power, you need more oxygen and more fuel. So this adds oxygen. We need to add more fuel on the side. That's where things start blowing up, is when you add oxygen, but you don't add fuel. So the nitrous kit will add oxygen, and we need to make a system that adds fuel.
Which we've done multiple times.
So we're gonna set this up, and we're gonna set this up. We're gonna squirt in more air and fuel.
Yes.
Hopefully we don't blow it up.
Yes.
Let's get to it. The long-awaited nitrous kit. Excited for this. Got zip ties holding on this little mounting bracket, which holds this in place. We need to figure out the fuel system, basically, and how we're gonna route the nitrous line and the fuel line. All right, so this nitrous kit is hooked up right here. It comes down, goes around into the carburetor right here. This carburetor is already jetted bigger, so this honestly should be running rich already. And I don't feel like hooking up a fuel system. I can't press two buttons, one for oxygen and fuel at the same time. I'm gonna just try it. I'm gonna try it with just the nitrous and see what happens. I'm gonna just go like right here. Go in like third gear, go full throttle, hit it, see what happens.
We're gonna see if we can blow a second motor of the day. Loading up the NOS.
Little strap comes off. This comes off.
Loading up the NOS.
This better be nitrous. Hopefully I don't get scammed.
Yo.
Make it turn centered. Ready? It's gonna pop. That should be on. I think it's on there. I'm gonna just try it. Hopefully we don't blow this thing. Strap my nitrous bottle in place. All right. This thing's not even warmed up, but that's all right. It's slammed. I forgot about that. I thought, give it gas and hit it.
No, just ride it. Ride it first.
All right. I'm gonna go, I think, second or third gear, and I'm gonna floor it right across here.
All right.
And then I'm gonna do it again, and then actually hit NOS the second time.
All right, bet. Yeah. All right, with NOS, let's see. Oh my God! Yo, did the clutch slip? Did the clutch slip? Yo, did the clutch slip?
Bro!
The clutch slip?
No, the tire spun.
Oh shit!
Bro! Wait,
should we take it to the road? Should we take it to the road? Should we take it to the road?
dude, that's so much power.
Should we take it to the road?
Oh my God.
Dude, I thought the clutch was slipping.
No, bro. It just hit boost and the back tire just spun.
Bro, okay, I think we need to hit the road
Let's
with
go
this.
to the, yeah, let's go right there. Let's go to the road. All right, so I'm gonna do like third gear right here. Get pretty good into the throttle in third gear and just hit it. Just hit it.
Let's see.
Hopefully it doesn't blow up.
No way. There's no way. There's no way.
The clutch is slipping.
It is?
The clutch is, should we put it in the TTR, the nitrous? Put the nitrous in the TTR? The clutch is slipping. The clutch on this thing is shot. But you hear it going,
yeah.
Dude. I'll try it again. I'm gonna try it again. Feel how cold this is.
Sheesh.
Cold.
Purge it, purge it. Purge that.
No. We need all the nitrous we can get. Can't wait for it.
Bruh.
I think we're out of nitrous, bro.
We gotta refill her.
We're out of nitrous. Here, look. Yeah, see, it's out.
Yep.
Dude, we need to get a bunch of these. Should we try the TTR? Because this thing, the clutch is slipping. I don't want to blow up the TTR, though.
Throw one more in.
All right.
Adjust this a little bit.
The clutch is fried.
All right, we're switching.
That worked so good. I cannot believe it, bro.
I did not actually think that this was gonna work.
It did run out quick. And we restricted
Yeah, he put a bicycle, like one of those things that fill up with
Look,
like, the balls.
Yeah, look, there's a thing to restrict it right
all
here.
The balls, yeah.
But it's still just shoved out all the air really quickly. Got like 2 good boosts with it. It's not popped yet. Oh, that scared me. All right, boom. Don't want to waste it, but so strap her up. Go hit some more boosts.
Should we hit the straightaway? I think you should hit the straightaway, fly past me, and then hit it.
All right.
I'm gonna go 5th gear or 4th gear, go pretty fast, full throttle.
Full throttle, yeah.
Once I hit that grate, see that grate? Once I get to there, I'm gonna hit boost. All right.
Yo, make sure you're full throttle when you hit it.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Bro, it picks up so much.
It's out already.
Bruh.
The clutch was slipping again, but you heard it hit.
Yeah.
You heard it hit, right? And then it hit for like a split second on the way back. And
Yeah.
The clutch slipped. Speedometer actually hooked up. I forgot to hook it up. We got a fresh NOS thing because the last one ran out really quickly. So I'm gonna just do same thing I just did. Yo, stand more this way so that
The wide angle looks so much better. Look at this. Bro. The clutch slips, but then it like regains and then it goes. Well, video coming soon. I'm doing a clutch on XR100.
that was the whole can of NOS right there in that pull. But it took off.
Yeah, I saw it. It like I heard it slip for a second and then
It slips a lot. We gotta try it in the TTR.
Are you sure you want to do it?
Yes. So hopefully we don't blow up TTR. Now let's go try NOS in the TTR so we can actually get a good pull.
I got my GoPro set up. We're gonna go race this versus this, and we're gonna hit NOS and see how much this pulls away. And then we have one more left. We'll use on that after.
Nitrous activated.
As you can see, the nitrous kid helped blow by that past this kid, but the clutch was slipping so much, it was killing so much. Yeah, it's like, so.
Were you letting go of the NOS?
Yeah, for a second, because I was trying to let not slip and then regrip, but the clutch is shot. We got to do a clutch on this soon, I guess. So let's put nitrous in the TTR.
Let's blow up the TTR.
We got to adjust the air fuel screw so we get more fuel. We'll take off the intake cover, air fuel screw, and maybe we'll just pop this intake boot off and just kind of let it flop in there.
How do you take this off?
There we go. On the TTR, we got this strapped to the handle here. I'll press the button. It'll go down. Runs through the frame. Zip tied right there. And just right there into the carb. Perfect. So I'm going to just leave this down like this. So the baffle's out. Cover's off. This is ready. Let's go.
All right, I'm gonna do a pull or two right by here with no nitrous, and they'll do a pull and just hit nitrous.
Yes.
I'll try to do a short one so we can get 2 boosts out of this. This thing's loud now. I'm gonna do 5th gear. Like, that was 5th gear right there. I'm gonna just do 5th gear, get in full throttle.
Coming up
and then
or
hit
down?
it. What?
Going up or down?
Up.
All right.
The 5th gear and hit it, and we'll just go full boost. We'll just use the whole thing. Whatever.
All right.
I want all the power. I want all the power. All right, that should be in. Hopefully this does not blow up. I love this bike. This bike is not clapped. I don't want this to blow up.
It's not clap. Not clap.
Not
Really?
clapped.
Really? Oh, damn.
Clutch slipped on this thing too. Dude, I think I might have used it all. I'll try. I'll do one more. Oh, dude, that thing pulled.
It looked like it pulled. It didn't sound like it slipped. It looked like
Just a little bit it slipped, but it pulled. Oh my god. I'll do one more on the way down. See, I think this is out of NOS already. I think it used the whole thing, but.
Damn.
Yo, I have CO2 containers for an airsoft gun. We'll try that. I don't
Alright.
think that'll work, but we'll try that.
Damn. Yo.
It hit a little bit. You heard it?
Yeah.
It was like, So look, we're out. Here, look, we're out. We're out of nitrous already.
Damn. No more.
So it's good if you have if you just need a quick, literally 2 seconds, 3 seconds.
We just need a bigger tank, bro. Just need a bigger one.
So we need to get more of these. And if we can restrict the amount that comes out, maybe it'll last longer.
Yeah.
Because it's just dumping it all out. Even with, look at this. A ball pump thingy. That's so restrictive, and yet it's still squirting it almost all out in a few seconds.
Damn.
Let's go try some CO2 really quick. Airsoft CO2 things.
No. Bog.
Yeah, it's making it cut out. Look, this has more and more air. Like if you let it sit, like look, that's all the way. If you let it sit, more and more builds up. Well, the nitrous kit worked really good.
Very good. Not really good, very good.
This video is the 100K subscriber special.
We appreciate it.
Thank you for 100K subscribers. I appreciate it. Now, I would say like my first 40,000 subscribers-ish was from YouTube Shorts. Not many people might know that, but the majority of my subscribers was from Shorts. Now, we make actual videos. The first big chunk of subscribers I ever got was from Shorts, but YouTube Shorts are terrible. Do you not watch YouTube Shorts? Watch YouTube videos. YouTube Shorts will kill your brain.
Brain rot.
The nitrous worked very good. It might blow up your bike. I can't recommend if you're scared to blow up your bike. These bikes were both probably running lean, too much oxygen, not enough gas, but we sent it and it worked out. Now,
Thankfully.
maybe I'll get more of those nitrous little containers or get a big bottle and we'll hook up a big bottle. Maybe try them on the KX100.
No, we need it. We're not getting those small ones. We're getting big bottle next.
So the nitrous was fun. It just didn't last long. It was literally like a 3-second burst and that was it. That's the problem.
Yeah.
It worked very good, but it was too short of a burst. For $100, I don't know, it's a short burst for $100.
Yeah.
It definitely added a lot of power. I'm glad both of the bikes survived. If you want us to get more nitrous, please let us know. Thank you all for 100,000 subscribers.
Thank you.
Videos are just going to keep getting better and better. Thank you all for watching. Very nice.
100K. Thank you.